recording this a second time because I accidentally deleted the first one. As per usual, UMAXGET did send this product out for free for review, but of course, everything I say in this video is my own opinion, and they did not tell me anything to say. This is specifically just a review of my own opinion of their product, the Breathable Sport Band. Hey everyone, it's SkullHQ here, and today we're taking a look at the UMAXGET Breathable Sport Band that is sold on Amazon for anywhere from $12 to $16 depending on the color and combination you get. First, we're going to actually set the band itself aside and talk about the packaging. So the packaging here is, well, not amazing. It comes in a plastic baggie with one of those rip-off and then resealable Ziplocs at the top. And it comes in a weird envelope packaging things. Not like an Amazon package, but it was like the yellow-orange one. Yeah, came in that. So first, inside of this, we have what would be the watch band, but of course it also comes with a little bit of an accessory here. Because of its hexagonal design, we have like a pipe cleaner type situation going on, so you can clean out the holes in it. So if those get a little gunky, a little dirty, you can get that out just fine. And then you also have a UMAXGET thank you card and warranty card, and just kind of thanks you and warrants you. Know what I'm saying? So this Apple Watch band, of course, does support the 38 and 42 millimeter Apple Watches of old and the 44 and 40 millimeter Apple Watches of new. So if you're into that, this will fit any of those Apple Watches, of course. There are those couple sizes that I just mentioned, and of course there are a few colors to choose from. There's black and black, gray and black, midnight blue and black, so that's all on the front here. The underside is going to be black, and then red and black. So there are 4 colors. But there's actually listed 6 because you can get a combination of a gray one and a black one, and a black one and a red and black one. So if you're into that, you can get a combo for just a few bucks more. All the normal colors are priced at the $11.99 price point, and the rest of them are priced at the $15.99 price point. So looking at the design of this guy, I'm really a big fan of its kind of like industrial design. It's very edgy, quote unquote, meaning it's got a lot of edges to it. It's not super rounded. It's got like this chamfer type look, except, you know, it's not metal, so it's not technically a chamfer. It's like this nice smooth edge going along here. I like that a lot. It's also got it on the other side. We've also got the defining feature of all these hexagons all over the band, but they're actually only just circles in the middle. Just hexagons, kind of like a chamfer, again, around the inside of that circle. Then, of course, we have this stainless steel buckle, which is pretty nice and has a very interesting design because of the layout of these holes. So when you're actually putting this on, it feeds through 2 holes at once. This brings up my main issue, or one of my main complaints about this. So it is actually a little hard to get this watch band on and off. Of course, I'm probably going to do it flawlessly right here. Yeah, basically. I had trouble getting it off before. The buttons on the back of my Apple Watch are fine, but it's the buttons built into this Apple Watch that don't work super well. They're a little bit stiff and kind of hard to use. Putting it on brings up my second main complaint. When you're putting it through the holes, because there are just so many, it's hard to tell which one is tight enough for you. So I just go to the one that's slightly too tight and go down one. And generally, that's the one that's going to be best for you, at least best for me. It actually works out really well. I really think that it fits super well because there are so many adjustment spots. It's just hard to tell every time you're putting it on, so it gets a little bit of getting used to, of finding that perfect spot to put it in and just not relying on counting the holes or seeing stretched holes for placing your band on your wrist. Here we have the little loop meant to keep the rest of the band in place, and how it works with these holes is it's got these 2 little stud type things that go in and lock in, so then your band is kept in place like that. So looking at this band on the Apple Watch, it looks really good. It matches really well. I like it a lot. I think it looks great. It also looks good on wrist. And the good thing about it is it's super light and super breathable because it's made out of silicone. So this band is perfect for people who are, well, doing sports, being active, or just really want a nice light band. As someone who's coming from a stainless steel link bracelet, this is crazy light and makes the watch feel just so much more convenient to have on my wrist all day long. With that, for $12, you're getting quite the good package here. I absolutely have to recommend this watch band from UMAXGET, the Breathable Sport. It is super great, and I think that if anyone wants a light sport design, and this is waterproof by the way, that this is the way to go, and it's a great alternative option compared to Apple's sport bands, which are way more expensive. And this is super nice, super light, and honestly totally worth the $12 or even $16 to get 2 of them at once. With that being said, thank you for watching. Of course, I'll have a link to this band in the description below. Please check it out if you're interested. It's a super great purchase. That's going to be it. Like if you liked it, favorite the video if it was your favorite, share the video, subscribe for more, and of course, I'll see y'all later. Take care.